Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Ford Bronco windows. First, identify which window needs attention. Next, ensure your Bronco's ignition is turned to the on position, but you don't need to start the engine. Then, find the window control switch for the specific window you're working on. This simple process can often resolve minor window operational glitches, getting your power windows back to smooth, reliable function in no time. To begin the reset, pull and hold the window switch in the up position, allowing the window to fully close. Continue holding the switch for an additional 3 to 5 seconds after the window reaches the top. This step helps the system register the window's closed position. After that, release the switch, then immediately pull it up and hold it again for another 3 to 5 seconds. This sequence helps recalibrate the window's motor. After completing the reset sequence, test the window's automatic up and down function. Simply press the switch down fully and release it to see if the window goes down on its own, and then pull it up fully to see if it closes automatically. If the window still isn't working correctly, repeat the entire reset procedure one more time. Also, check the window track for any visible obstructions that might be preventing smooth operation. Sometimes, a weak or low vehicle battery can cause power window issues, so ensure your battery is in good health. If problems persist, consulting your Bronco's owner's manual can provide model-specific troubleshooting steps and diagrams. Remember, these steps are a general guide, and your manual might offer unique insights. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.